Evening all, how are we doing? So, we're out here in sunny, beautiful Kilmore. This is the country, rural Victoria, and we're here to do some astrophotography. This is an astrophotography rig, and we've had a few questions from people asking about what is all this stuff and what does it do. So for a start, to make it all work, you need to get out under a beautiful sky. This one's a little bit cloudier than I'd like, but hopefully it'll clear up. And what we're going to do tonight is we're going to photograph a galaxy. So that's pretty cool. So the first thing we need is a telescope. Now if I can just switch this camera. There we go. Now we have a telescope. Now this baby is 1.625 meters in length. That's crazy, I know. It's like putting a 1600mm lens on a camera. So you can imagine how big and long that would be, but this thing is pretty clever because it's got a mirror in the middle of it, down here, and it's got another mirror here. So light travels down through this light path, hits the mirror, bounces off a second mirror, and travels all the way down to this special little camera down here. Now the camera's pretty cool because it's handmade in America. It shoots black and white pictures. So how do we get colour pictures, you might ask? Well, there's a filter wheel here, and this filter wheel's got red, green and blue filters and a few fancy little narrowband filters for picking up the chemical signatures of nebulas as well. So it all comes together. There's a fancy focuser here. You can't just point these things up and hope this thing's in focus. This focuser costs more than the whole damn telescope. And then it's all sitting on this mount. Now the mount actually tracks as the stars move. Well, the stars don't move, of course, the Earth is moving. And so what's going to happen then is as the night goes on, I'll undo this so you can actually see it working here. So you can actually see how the mount tilts on this axis and it'll pivot on that one, and it'll basically lock in on our stars and galaxies for the night. And then to keep everything in place, we've got a guide camera here, this thing, little video camera in there, and its job is to tell that mount fine corrections to keep the star located within 1 pixel on the CCD chip of the camera. How cool is that? 1 pixel. So with all that coming together, you're probably wondering how much it costs. Well, it's less than a boat, as I say to the wife, but that's all good. So last month when I was here, I did a test shot of this galaxy. This is NGC 300. And tonight we're going to do some more information on this and get it looking even better with a bit more detail. And so that's why we're here under these beautiful country skies without the light pollution that affects us in the big city of Melbourne. So that's where we want to be. Wish us luck. Hopefully it'll be a good night and we'll have a great time, and catch you later. See ya.